Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market today, it's in the red, but at the same time trying to hold on to quite a lot of supports, especially Bitcoin trying to stay over the 67k mark and Dogecoin being able to stay above 16 cents. But what is crazy is the Dogecoin trading volume has exceeded 3 billion, and there is one reason for that. If you guys do not know, the dog which the Dogecoin meme was based off has just sadly passed away. At the same time, everywhere on Twitter, everyone is talking about this, everyone is giving a condolence, and Coinbase loses the Dogecoin related Supreme Court case, and the details I will share very shortly. But before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video. It will just help you to algorithm push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I just want to tell you guys something important. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been quite hectic as we're getting more and more news towards Ethereum ETF that might be actually announced very soon. That's actually causing a lot of, uncertainty in the market. That's probably the perfect word to use, and you guys can see from the sort of momentum that we are receiving. Now, keep in mind, right now, the crypto market is in a critical stage. When I say critical stage, you can see over here, the SEC has approved the form 19B4 for 8 Ethereum ETF issuers: BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and you guys know that these names are very big. They were one of the first few people who actually released the ETF for Bitcoin. That happened about 3 months ago, but in 3 months we are already getting such a big news. Now keep in mind that's actually caused the Ethereum market to climb quite quickly, but at the same time Doge is actually not fallen short very quickly. Now, this news has taken the whole market by quite a storm actually, because it's really sad, first of all, that our lovely dog has passed away, but at the same time did live a very happy and a good life. About 18 years for dog, that's a very long life, and I know how it feels when you lose your loved one, and it's the same feeling when you lose your pet. But this has caused a lot of people to be talking about Dogecoin. I mean, you can see on Twitter right now it is trending. Now with the trending, you guys also need to understand that you are going crazy. What I mean by that is right now it is trending, but a lot of people on Twitter are also just condoling it. But what is crazy is with the condolence, a lot of people are mentioning Dogecoin. When I mean Dogecoin, it's actually causing the whole market to talk about Dogecoin. And my Doge wallet recently just tweeted out saying Dogecoin ETF when. If that happens, that's going to be a very big news as well. Now, talking about Coinbase, now you guys know Coinbase has been trying to fight this case against this one person, which is Coinbase, the leading US exchange, has suffered a defeat in the Supreme Court, losing its dispute that resolves around the Dogecoin sweepstake. Users assumed that the trading platform of false advertising, claiming that it will be dumped into shelling out $100 for the sweepstake. What a week. Some you win, some you lose. We are grateful for having an opportunity to present our case in the court and appreciate the court consideration of this matter. But what is really crazy is Coinbase actually losing this is actually a big deal, and the best part about this is the person who did do this case actually won, and actually took a lot of money from Coinbase, which is kind of crazy. Now, talking about the type of price action that Dogecoin is doing right now, if we look at the daily chart, you guys can see that right now it's actually really clear that once we are able to break above the 17-cent mark, the next big resistance is going to come close to 20 cents. Now, breaking this 20-cent resistance will be extremely hard, but if we do decide to fall short, then we're just going to go back to testing close to 13 cents, and before 13 cents we might just drop all the way to 15 cents, which has been working for quite a few times. Now keep in mind, these supports are going to be playing a very crucial ideology in the Dogecoin community, because right now the community is so scattered, trying to figure out why the explosion that we should have received is not arriving. Every single time we're getting the momentum up and then the sell-off occurs. Now keep in mind, it just means that the news is running up the price, but then it comes down. That means there's a lot of negative sentiments towards the whole crypto market. That's going to cause a lot of people to want to stay away from it and just use their money in stablecoin. Now I'm not saying that's a bad thing, because they're obviously just trying to protect their asset, but you yourself, if you are in a loss, panic selling is not going to be helping you. The best thing to do is simply wait until the market is able to show some positive trend. Talking about the open interest, it's sitting close to 850 million. It is down 3%, but it is still sitting at a very good price action. Talking about the liquidations, well, today 5.5 million were liquidated when it comes to the long liquidations. And talking about some whales. Now this whale just exactly a week ago decided to purchase $28 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 15.3. Have not done anything ever since. So this should give you perspective. There are some whales which are just buying and deciding to wait until the price action goes up. According to this map, where almost everything is in red except Ethereum, will Ethereum ETF be approved? Now keep in mind, I feel like a lot of people have a misconception that the Ethereum ETF, there is a chance that might not be, accepted. Well, the way the market is going, it's going to be accepted in the next coming 2 to 3 weeks. Now, once it is accepted, I'm not even saying anymore if, it's actually when it is going to be accepted. It's going to be causing the market to actually have a lot of inflow of money. Another whale is this one. You guys can see that ever since March, they have been purchasing constantly. And their last purchase was just about 6 days ago, where they purchased about $364,000 worth of Dogecoin. In total, they are holding close to 37 million. So another wallet you can see decided to purchase just yesterday $57 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 15.8 cents. So these people are thinking of holding the long term, and with such a big amount, you just need to understand there is so much left in there. With the rescue pup to meme star, Dogecoin faces how as she got all the way up there. Now what is crazy is seeing the fact, like Dogecoin was not able to just have a good time. Like I'm really happy to see how long of a life the dog lived, but it's just really sad to see it pass away. And SEC approved spot Ethereum ETF. SEC spot Ethereum ETF approval led to mixed market reactions. The approval only to application, not for more impactful S1 application. So as I mentioned, most of the paperwork has already been done. Now it's just a little paperwork that is left, and the market adopts a caution stance due to regulatory and economics uncertainty. So right now it's just the uncertainty which is causing a lot of people to stay away from crypto. But keep in mind, before the end of next month, there will be so many things that will be happening. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.